Hi everyone, welcome to the lookbook. So today I'm going to do the 10 minutes makeup challenge. I really hope that this turns out to be a fun video. So if you're seeing this face for the first time, then please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and let's jump right in. Okay, so I can see the timer on my camera and I should just start. It's mostly the same products. I'll just mention them in the description box. Come Out foundation. Yeah, that's a bit too much, but we'll work with it. I think this should be easy. The key is not to panic. Let's see. There are two things that can happen with this video. Either I completely focus on my makeup and forget to talk, or I can just ramble on and on. Okay, 1 minute out. So a little backstory to this video. I was supposed to do the, how to apply your eyelashes video today, but I was so tired after the working week and I slept through the entire day. It's Saturday evening, by the way. It's almost 8 o'clock. So I thought, why not do something quick? So I thought of this video at the last moment. That's too much on my forehead, oh god. So sorry if I'm not looking at you guys. It's not intentional. I'm just looking at my mirror. This is going to be so shabby. Do I need coverage anymore? I have too much on the back of my hand. What do I do with this? Okay. Yeah, this should work. But what do I do with the foundation on the back of my hand? No idea. I hope this is... Oh, it's 2 minutes down. What am I doing? Let's just leave it here. Go to... Oh yeah, I can put that. Yes. I don't usually put foundation on my neck. I just drag down whatever is left on my brush, but I just took too much on the back of my hand and now I'm trying to use that up. Yeah, this is not going good. Concealer. I hope this is not a complete fail. I usually am able to do my foundation, concealer, my basic makeup in 10 minutes or so, like 10-20 minutes. But today I thought I'll challenge myself and do a colorful eye makeup look, but it's already 3 minutes out. How do they make it look so easy in the other 10 minutes challenge videos that I see? Am I talking too much? Is that why? Concealer. I thought I'll do a colorful eye makeup look, but I don't think I'll have time for that. That is not enough concealer, or is it? What is this? Get off. Okay, that should be fine. Powder. I hope I have all the products here with me, because if not, then everything is in my cupboard and I'll have to rush through there. Also, I'll try not to cut the video. I'll try to put the entire 10 minutes on. So let's see. I know you can do this. I know you can do this. Bob the Builder करके दिखाएंगे. Okay, not bad. 4 minutes down. Not bad. Okay, so should I just do the blush and everything? Yeah, I should go with contour first. Oh, that's really down. Not where I usually put my contour, but yeah. it's not going to be a good base day today. And I hope I'm not going out of the frame. No, I'm not. If you don't spoil your hair while you're contouring or bronzing up your face, then you're not doing it right. My earrings, look, my earrings are so cute. I think, how is it already 5 minutes? What am I even doing? Does that even show up on camera? No idea. Where is my nose contour brush? Where is that? Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah. Ding ding ding. If I end up making some seriously weird faces in this video, then I'll have to cut that. Sorry if I do. Because I usually make really weird faces, especially when I'm doing my mascara. Okay. There is no hope for this. No, I'm not doing colorful eye makeup. I'm just doing a soft glam. Yeah, that will just have to work. I wore a pink dress because I was going to do a yellow and pink eye makeup look. I just had a little bit planned, but no, that's not happening. When I do a colorful eye makeup look, it actually takes me, like, if I take my own sweet time, then it takes me about an hour. So why did I think that I'll be able to do a colorful eye makeup look? Where's my highlighter? Brush. Three minutes to go. Do you think I'll be able to complete this? Comment down below. This video was such a last moment thought. Oh god, I have brows. Okay, I think we'll just have to skip brows. Leave that. Let's do the eyes. I was going to go with yellow. This yellow shade. I thought I was going to do neutral, but then let's try for colorful eye makeup. Why not? 7 minutes, 30 seconds. I usually blabber a lot, and I am blabbering a lot. This video doesn't make sense. You can already feel that. And this is so shabby. So shabby. Where's packing brush? Pink. Let's go to pink. Okay. This is not showing up. Why? Need a darker pink. Yeah, that's better. That's much better. But it's all over the place. 8 minutes, damn. This is like writing the final question when the invigilator is already trying to collect your answer sheet. Yeah, this is exactly like that, and it is so shabby. It is so shabby. Oh god. Let's add some shimmers, and that might save it. Oh, that's so pretty. 9 minutes. Okay, we are not doing brows. Do I even have time for mascara? I don't think so. Where is this brush? Yes, I think I started. Oh, what did I do? What did I just do? I'm making such weird noises. Okay, I think I should just put this gloss and we'll see what we can do with the rest of the face. No, not the gloss. I should put this cream thing and blend it out a little bit. La 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 la. gloss to the rescue. It is too quiet, right? Okay. It is already 10 minutes. Wow, this was a fail. This is such a fail. I thought I could do this, but no, this is such a fail. My gloss is all over the place. My eyeshadow is all over the place. I didn't even put mascara. I didn't have time for mascara. Oh god, this is so tragic. Where did I go wrong? I saw so many videos on this and they did it fine. This is not good. Obviously my time is up, but I'm just trying to salvage this look. This video was obviously a fail, but I don't have anything for tomorrow, so I guess I'll have to upload this somehow, because I really don't want to break the cycle of, posting a video every Sunday. Why am I even doing this anymore? Why am I doing this? I guess I should just stop, right? I should stop. Why am I not stopping? It is 11 minutes, yeah. I should stop, yeah. As you guys saw, this video was a complete mess. I still have a lot of foundation on the back of my hand. I wish I could do my mascara, because I would definitely not wear this face out anywhere, but it's fine. It's okay. If I had mascara on, then it would look so much better. I did do my brows after the time was up. So if you had a good laugh and enjoyed this video, then please take a moment to hit the subscribe button. And yes, we are at 100 subscribers, and I'm so grateful to each and every one of you for supporting me through this. And I hope that I'm able to put out more amazing content that you guys would enjoy, and I hope this is one of them. It was fun, I guess. Let me know in the comment section down below. Meet you in my next video. Till then, bye.